Now, day after BJP President Amit Shah was admitted in Delhi's All India Institute of Medical Sciences for swine flu treatment, Congress MP V.K. Hari Prasad has hurled a shocking slur at ailing Shah. Mocking him for suffering from swine flu, this shocker is a reminder to our netas to bring their language in control, because if this is to go by, 2019 is going to be possibly the most dirtiest election ever in Indian history.
Amit Shah aur Gabri agi jwara bandide jwara andre kammi jwara Allah.
Indian politicians lack in grace. Everyone would admit that. But Congress MP B.K. Hari Prasad's tasteless remark on Amit Shah, who is suffering from H1N1 and is hospitalized, was least expected and shocking indeed.
Amit Shah aur Gabri agi jwara bandide jwara andre kammi jwara Allah adu handi jwara ante ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ swine flu ante ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
The comment sparked a massive uproar, with BJP netas taking turns to slam not just Hari Prasad but the entire Congress leadership, reminding the leaders to mind their language.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi at one end says that Congress is a party of love. We love everyone, and this is Congress. Is this love? You mock the ones who are ill? You mock an illness?
पागल लोग हैं, इनको इतनी भी शालीनता नहीं है कि अगर कोई व्यक्ति बीमार है, तबीयत खराब है, तो उस पर भी जो है वो मजाक और उस पे भी है वो इस तरह की गंदी और घटिया और बेहुदा बात.
Congress party has stooped so lowest level today by attacking national BJP president health condition to the Karnataka political crisis.
The Congress later tried to control the damage and distanced itself from Hari Prasad's comments.
कोई व्यक्ति का कोई बीमारी हो, कोई देहांत हो, मेरे मन में हम लोग सिर्फ ये कहेंगे कि भगवान आपको स्वास्थ्य दे, आप हेल्दी हो जाए, ठीक हो जाए, फिर आपके साथ लड़ाई करेंगे हम.
जल्द से जल्द वो स्वस्थ लौटे, तन से स्वस्थ, मन से स्वस्थ, और फिर हम विचारों की लड़ाई लड़ते रहें. चुनाव सामने है, उसकी हम मनोकामना करते हैं.
Hari Prasad is not alone. Our politicians are used to making insensitive remarks, be it the BJP, the Congress or regional parties. Even Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not immune. He too has been accused of making insensitive comments on many occasions.
अगर आप में कोई दम हो मैडम, आप बीमार हैं, तो आपके बेटे को काम दो, जरा करके दिखाएं. जिस बेटी का जन्म नहीं हुआ वो कांग्रेस सरकारों के कागज पे वो बेटी की विधवा भी हो गई और बेटी के विधवा पेंशन भी मिलना शुरू हो गया. ये कांग्रेस की कौन सी विधवा थी जिसके खाते में रुपया जाता था?
Now, B.K. Hari Prasad's jibe at Amit Shah has not gone down well, with many here claiming that, well, playing politics, let's play politics, but also let's be human and follow a sense of decency. But with the run-up to the Lok Sabha polls, one can expect many more such comments being made by very senior leaders. Along with Nagarjun and Shalini Lobo, this is Nolan Pinto for India Today in Bengaluru.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.